In anticipation of the plant swap coming up, I thought I'd make a short video to show you some options for how you can bring your plants to the swap. However you get them there, that's fine. But here's a few ideas in case this is helpful. So here I have a few pieces of snake plant that I have rooted. So I can simply wrap those roots in a wet paper towel and then just put them here into a Ziploc for transport. Then they're safe and all that water stays in. And then I've created a little card that has a little bit of information because I know a little information. So for the people who are going to be choosing your plant, if you have a little information you can provide them that would be helpful for them to know the conditions that it prefers and what you need to do in order to take care of it. So Sansevieria, the snake plant, you can do almost anything to it and it'll be just fine. It actually seems to like neglect a little bit. A little too much babying is not so great. It does really well on a covered patio. It needs medium to highlight. So I put that information here on this card, and then I can just tape the card to the bag so that people can choose knowing the information about the plant. But here I have an epiphyllum that's in a pot, and I don't want to try to take this out of the pot and get it into a Ziploc. I can, if it's small enough, I can just put the whole thing into a Ziploc for transport, but I don't want to lose soil. I'm afraid of losing soil. So Saran wrap is your best friend. For that, you can wrap right around the plant with the Saran wrap, close in, and it'll, in the event that it gets tipped on its side, the soil will stay in the pot. I've made a little label for this plant as well. It does really well in very bright indirect light, and it needs well-drained soil. So then I can just tape that onto the pot and bring that. If you know information about your plant, great. You can provide a card like this that gives people just a little information so that they can choose. Not everybody has a lot of plant background, so any information you can provide will be really helpful. If you don't know much, that's fine. You don't have to know much. We'll be able to fill in some gaps for folks. Looking forward to seeing everybody's plants at the swap.